Hello everyone, welcome again in the series of HTML from basic to advanced. In the last video we have learned base font and font tag, and today we will be learning a new tag, that is HR tag. Okay, HR means horizontal rules. Okay, if any question comes what is the full form of HR, you can easily write horizontal rules. So this gives you a way to separate section of your document virtually. The HR tag produces a horizontal line spread across the width of the browser window. So what is the role, or you can say what is the use of this HR tag? HR tag is used to separate two parts. Okay, when you are preparing or designing any website and you need to separate and you need to highlight the two things separately, so at the time you will be using HR tag. So in this case, suppose this is one paragraph, yes or no, this is one paragraph and this is another paragraph. So if I need to separate it using HR tag, so how I'll be doing? So when I'll use HR tag, what will happen? In middle of these two paragraph, a line will be created so that it will look like this is one different part and this is another different part. Okay, so before starting the practical procedure, let us discuss about some points that is important for HR tag. So here I have written some points to remember about HR tag. Okay, first thing is, it is an empty element. You remember empty and container element. In container we need to start and close the tag, and in empty just opening is required, closing tag is not required. So this is just you need to open, no need to close. And the second point is, its function is to break a text flow and insert a horizontal rule. What is the function? Its function is to break a text flow, means whatever writings are there, it will break there and it will insert a line over there. Okay, and the third point, its attributes are size, width, no shade and color. So what are the attributes we can use along with this HR tag? First one is size. You need to make thicker, you can say thin, that kind sizes will be there. I'll show you practically in this video. And second one is width. Width means your this part, how much area you want to cover in the web page, small area or full area or whatever. And no shade means you will see the difference, this size and no shade. I'll show you the difference, what is the difference between without no shade and with no shade. And last is color, in which color you want to give the line. And fourth point here it is given is, it is used inside body content. So where this tag will be used? It will be used between body tag. Okay, this is body tag started and this is end. So whatever contents are there between the body tag, so easily we will be using this in the body tag, not outside the body tag. Clear? Okay, now let us start using HR tag. So here only I am adding HR tag added, or let me show you before adding HR tag how the web page is looking, and after adding how the web page is looking. Okay, so let me create this. Already I have typed to save the time, this format already it is ready. Now just I need to save this file, save as, and then suppose 1.html I am writing 1.html. so here all file and then save. Now in the desktop there will be one file, you see here one name file is created, this is one HTML file. So double click and see, it is opened now. So whatever content, we have not changed any color, everything, it was just simple. So simply it came, yes or no, whatever we have written, this all came simply. So what now difference will be there if I'll use HR tag? Okay, here. So now I'm using here HR, simply HR, normal HR. I'm not using any attribute here now. So what effect will be there? Let me save, go to browser again and then refresh it. Now you notice a line is created over here. You are able to see, visible na? Okay, all right. So HR means it is used to insert line. Now let us see its attribute one by one. Okay, so first one, let us see size. Now here you notice in the web page a plain simple thin line is there, yes or no? And when I'll change the size, okay, size is equal to suppose 10, and save it, go to browser and then refresh it. Now you see the size of the HR rule is changed. You see this is little thicker, yes or no? Now again if I'll change, in place of you can say 10, let me write 50, and now again save and go to browser and refresh it. You see now the size is changed, yes or no? So this way you can use the size attribute to make the line thicker. Okay, now next is width. Width means your web page is there, width means your this part, this is now completely it is coming. If you need smaller, then your width will be, we have to change the width. So simply we need to write width is equal to, either you can write number or you can write in pixel, that is percentage. Suppose 75%. Okay, I'm adding over here. Now save it, go to browser, refresh it. Now see the size, here it is not there, from both end it is decreased, means it is 75% of the page, it is covering 75% of the page, right? So accordingly you will be setting the width of the HR. Suppose this I'll make it again 55%. So what will happen now? Again it will be to smaller, you see. Now this much area it is left, yes or no? So accordingly you will be setting the size of the HR. Now next attribute is no shade. Okay, so here you will remember this your no shade tag, it is used with your size. Okay, how to write this one, just you see, this is very important. Suppose here we have written HR size is 50, then give space here only and add no shade. Okay, now what will happen here, let us see. Now you see earlier it was blank type, na? Only that outline it was visible. When you will add no shade along with the size, what will happen, it will be filled, this part will be filled clearly. So this is the benefit of no shade. So whenever you want to give a bold tap line, then you will be using no shade along with the size. And the last is color. So color directly you will be adding from here only. Suppose I'll give space, then color is equal to suppose red. Okay, red I have added. Now save it and then go to browser, refresh it. Now you see the color of the HR is changed, yes or no? So we have learned here, what are the things we have learned? We have learned how to change the size, that no shade, then width and then color. So this is all about HR. Now let us set, because that is looking little odd, so in place size let it be 5. Okay, size let it be 5 with no shade, then this make it 100%, color let it be red. Now again save it and go to browser and refresh. You see now it is looking like this is a two part separated, yes or no? This first part and this second part. So in this way you can use and design your web page using this HR tag. Thank you so much for watching this video.